In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check storage in Ssemble. If you're keeping an eye on how much space your projects, media files, and exports are taking up, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find that information so you can stay within limits and plan your next uploads with confidence. First, start by logging into your Ssemble account. Use your usual credentials and complete any additional verification if prompted. A stable internet connection helps the dashboard load smoothly, especially if you have a lot of projects. Once you're in, give the page a second to finish loading so all menu options are visible and responsive. Next, head to the upper right corner of the interface. You'll see your profile area there, often represented by your avatar or initials. Click it to open the account menu. This is where Ssemble groups your personal and workspace settings, billing, and usage information. If your browser window is very narrow, you might need to maximize it to reveal the full menu. Also, if you manage more than one workspace, double-check that you're viewing the correct one before proceeding so the usage you see reflects the right team or account. From that profile menu, click on Credit Usage Logs. This is the section where Ssemble summarizes how your credits and resources are being used, and it typically includes details that reflect your storage consumption. Once you're on the Credit Usage Logs page, look for entries or summaries that indicate storage or media-related usage. You'll often find totals used versus your plan's allocation, along with recent activity that contributed to those totals, such as large uploads or high-resolution exports. Take a moment to scan any available filters or date ranges. Narrowing the view to the past month or quarter can help you understand trends and spot spikes. If you notice a sudden increase, think back to whether you imported large video files or duplicated projects. That context can explain where space is going and help you plan your next steps. It's also a good idea to note your remaining capacity so you're not surprised mid-project. If you like to stay proactive, consider visiting the Credit Usage Logs page regularly, especially before big shoots or batch uploads. Bookmarking it in your browser can save time, and if something looks off, refreshing the page or checking again after a few minutes can resolve temporary sync delays. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your profile at the top right, and select Credit Usage Logs to check your storage-related usage in Ssemble. Keeping an eye here will help you manage space efficiently and keep your project